Hey folks, how we doing? We just got back from installing that nuke, and I think I was in work mode the whole time I was doing that. I wasn't really explaining what I was doing or explain what a nuke is. You've seen me take packages and install them in a hive. A package is just 3 pounds or 10,000 bees roughly with a queen they don't know. So you're kind of playing your cards there, whether they accept that queen or not. Last year I had no problem with them accepting it. This year I think I have a problem. We'll get into that later in a different video. But a nucleus is much better to start off with. A little more expensive, but your hive is already established. They already have a laying queen. They've accepted her. She's laying. She's working. The worker bees are being hatched or born, and they're working. They're bringing resources in. So what I had was 5 frames in that nuke box, and 3 or 4 of them had brood in them that was already capped over, so they should be hatching any moment now. So what I added to those, and I'm sorry, 3 or 4 chambers of brood, and then the other ones were all honey that they had already brought in. So they had food, I don't have to feed them. What I did do was I took 2 of my frames that had honey on them, and I added it to that package. They're gonna have even more food. I also put in 3 frames of empty, just plastic wax-coated foundation. They should be able to build that out fairly quickly. I would say within a week or 2, maybe 3 weeks. Shouldn't take them 3 weeks, but maybe 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna have to add another box. So a nucleus, again, is an established queen. She's already laying. That hive is already working. It's just a small hive, basically. You're taking it and you're adding it to your deep box, and you go from there. Much better to start with that. If I ever have to get another hive started and I have to buy it, I'm gonna go with a nuke. Definitely, so much easier. Pull it out, didn't have to look for anybody, just pop it in there, close them up, done. Took me about, I don't know, you'll see the video, 15 minutes. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey folks, how we doing? We're up in the bee yard. We've got the Pro-Nuc here. Pro-Nuc, how you want to pronounce it. We've got my one hive that's already here. We've got the empty blue hive that we've put 2 frames of honey in and several frames that are empty. We're going to transfer this Pro-Nuc into this new hive. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes, but that's where we're at. We had a break in the rain today. The bees were out buzzing around, so I got the smoker going. Hopefully this is a seamless transfer. So I'll get you guys set up over here so you can watch what I'm doing. Hopefully it goes well. I'm gonna go get my smoker. I'll be right back. Hopefully it's still burning. Should be interesting because I'm not sure even how to open this nuke up. So it could be fun. Doesn't seem too difficult. Well, looks pretty good. Should be easy to do. Well, they've got some honey in here, that's for sure. I may have to rethink this. They're definitely checking me out. So when you order a nuke, they come with everything you need. I feel like I'm blocking your view. I'm going to put these frames, and there's your brood chamber, right there. There's more brood. So when you get them, they're already laying and they're good to go. I'm just giving them a bigger home. That's a lot of brood there. Look at that. That's why we're giving them another home, because they are definitely full brood. That's the way it should look. This one got a little messy. There's another one full of brood. I'm not looking for the queen. I just want to get them in. I just broke them open because they were stuck together. But lots of brood in here, which is great. Now this one here looks to be a lot of honey and really thick and brood. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. Yeah. Because that is some really thick stuff right there. Yeah, I can't. I'm not sure what to do with that one. I might put that one on the end, because it is just it's overfilled actually. I can't get my other frames in there like I want. Push this one here to the edge just because it's so full. That may help. And push an empty one by it. Now, can I fit one more in there? I would like to. They've got it so, they got that one frame so full. It's being difficult. Just that one frame of honey is really being, it's just so full I can't, I'm not sure what to do with it. This one, see how thick that is? It shouldn't be that thick, and it's got brood on it, so I don't want to get rid of it. Just gotta figure out what I'm going to do. Now that should fit. There we go. Okay. I can give it a little more relief there. There we go. Tell you what, that's a tight bee box. Set these girls down. I'm going to slide this hive on over. That's the plan anyways. There we go. Why is that being difficult? Because it's stuck already. There we go. Getting the workout, that's for sure. Just drop my... I don't want to bang on that hive, that's for sure. Okay. Take these girls. Now if we look out the front, we should see bees kicking out pheromone, ideally. Let's see. There they are. Oops. Sorry, I was filming the wrong way. I need to get a stick or something for an entrance reducer. I only have that one. I should have bought one today. We'll work on that in a minute, but that's it. That's how you do a nuke. Simple as that. I'll leave that up here for a little while. And the bees can find their new home. Everybody should be good to go. Insta hive. I'm going to take this jacket off because I'm sweating like a stuck pig now. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Bye.